We are in Westmoreland, basically, and we're going on a trip, a road trip to St. Elizabeth. Guys, meet my mom, my wonderful mom, and we're all going up into the hills of St. Elizabeth, so I'll be taking you guys with me. So, if you haven't as yet, click the link down below and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's go for the ride. So you guys know we reached by at St. Elizabeth now with the good fry fish and festival and things. Yeah, we pass a couple people on the road. Big up to who sell street side vendors them at St. Elizabeth. Big up on the sell for the nice plum them. Yeah, you know the girl was feeling herself and thing. Could man cuteness overload. So, we're in St. Elizabeth, right? I think I'm Black River. Yes, we reached Black River, and we're about to go over the bridge. Yes, see it there. It's a nice, pretty bridge they were decorating for Emancipation and Independence Day. Black River Safari, for those who don't know, that's where it is. Yes, sir. So, finally reached your destination now. Yeah, up in the hills them of St. Elizabeth. Yes, we have arrived in the hills. Hi! At Christmas well. So for those who don't know, we're going to be picking some mangoes. I don't know what fruit this is. You want inside the funny? Oh my god. Where is it? I'll put inside funny. No, see inside there. I don't know. Whoever knows what this is. Nesberry tree, Meesberry, Nesberry, Sapabilla. Eh? Which one? No, me I touch it and it just exploded in my hand. So of course, me come there and I wanted Nesberry. So you know, I searched that tree until I found a ripe one, because most of these that are on the tree are green. So yeah, good. So I searched the whole tree. Like, I didn't include the full clipping, but searched the whole tree for a ripe one. Yeah, man. Yeah, so no country settings, no washings. Yeah, just pick it right from a tree. Don't wash it with no water, nothing. Eat it straight from the tree. So, of course, I'm not gonna eat the skin, because, well, I'm used to washing my fruits before consumption, and a lot of animals and stuff and insects go on that skin. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go eat some nectar and come back to y'all when it's time for mango. Oh yeah. So guys, we're gonna pick mangoes. Mango. So I don't know if you guys know. You don't know? I don't know. It's already. You want if it's ripe? Acha, mommy, put down the give me. Nice. What is that on it? Mango. So, mango tree is working already. Oh, see over there, sir. Look under the tree, man. Alright, so one nice one here. So guys, mango. Who know your mango? This one here. Sunny, the mango here. Oh. So guys, you know, I don't know about anybody else, but me love mango. Where is it there? No, I never got to that. Me love mango. Bad. So, wanna say climate change? Cause I don't know who know this. I'm used to country girl. I'm used to climb tree enough. So, I'm gonna eat my mango. So let me just set this camera good for you guys. Yes. So y'all can see me now. That's my outfit for the day. Yes, girl. Show off. Show off. Cause here, man, like, I don't know who knows this, but I used to be a stick, and to see how far I'm coming from. Yes. Yes, girl. Peel the mango. I don't know, but as a Jamaican, I used to eat like 5-6 mango one time, but you know. Nice good body mango. No worm. Good body, you know. The good them straight from St. Elizabeth. Yeah? If you're from Jamaica, you know, St. Elizabeth good with farming. All them stuff there. They know see all the good things. Nice agriculture, all them stuff there. Straight from St. Elizabeth like this. So as you guys can see, the view up here is everything. So yes, out to the sea, up in the hills of St. Elizabeth. You have some wind turbines. Some wind turbines right there. Yes, because you know St. Elizabeth have some natural energy sources and thing. Yes, up here is a really beautiful place. Nice for photo shoots and stuff. That is if you don't mind your feet getting red because of the red dirt. But up here really nice, and it has a lot of beautiful, flora. I know how to get my soup. Yes, you idiot. This is actually my second time there. Yes, the first time I went, it was great. So this is my second time. Kiana, I gotta get in that TikTok dance. I don't know what in the world I was doing, but yeah, just had like a TikTok thing. Renegade, ooh, ha, So this is just a continued tour of the property. This place was actually, it's natural, yes, but some of these plants, they were planted by the owner of the place. So most of them, he hand planted them, of course. Yeah. So guys, just a little quick note. I was planning on doing giveaways, random giveaways in my videos. So if you guys would like to see some of that, just let me know in the comment section if you guys would want me to do random giveaways in my videos. So it's really quiet place. Hey, hope I see no snake, cause me afraid of snake, you know. So how this go now? You hear some? Why? Bush settings are going on. Oi, Jesus, it's love. So yeah, I hear some more stuff. Guys, I'm coming from all the way up there. So it's going right back up. All the way back up. Crunching leaf ASMR. You reach? Oh my god. Crazy, man. Look at the view. I'm gonna try to go all the way up here. Oh Jesus. Whew. So all the way down there, guys.
So me come up up here so now. And me don't know how me go get back down. Cause the Maxstone are my slippers, you know. My good body. Nice slippers. So of course one of the country girl love country. Yes girl. Look up and show them say a gymnastics, I'm afraid. Get there, period. So of course y'all know I had to do a whole photo shoot because that's me. I'm gonna take pictures, so here they are. The reason we went, of course, was to celebrate an anniversary and birthday. So that's how the day ended, with those two celebrations. So afterwards, we just ate some food and then went to bed. So this is the next day, and we're leaving to go back to Westmoreland. Yes, so we're still in St. Elizabeth, but we're leaving to go to Westmoreland. Of course, we had to make a quick beach stop because why not?